So children, we were doing chapter conjunctions. This is page number 104, question number C. Okay, so you write down the date. The question is, join these pairs of sentences using suitable conjunctions. You can see one example is given. Mansi is tall, her brother is short. So when you combine the sentences using a word that is conjunction, we are going to use but. Mansi is tall, but her brother is short. So here but is the conjunction. Okay. So as I told you children, we use but to join two statements when there is a contrast between them. Contrast means when the two sentences are not the same. Here one is saying that Mansi is tall, but in the other we come to know that his brother is short. So the two sentences are not same, so we use conjunction but. Okay. Likewise children, as I have already told you, we use conjunction because when there are two sentences and the first sentence says something and the other gives a reason for it. Okay, that time we use conjunction because. Okay, and when do we use if or unless? If or unless are the conjunctions that suggest some condition. Okay, so and we use conjunction or to express some choice. So based on that, let us solve this exercise. The first one is, Konika opened her book. She began to read. So you are talking about Kanika in both the sentences, right? So when we join the two sentences, we write like this. Kanika opened her book and began to read. Okay? And this word she, you are not going to use here in the answer children. We will only write once Kanika, and because we are joining with the conjunction and, so we need not write the pronoun or the name once again. Okay? Number 2, Kunal plays the guitar. His brother does not play the guitar. So you can see children, one sentence is saying something but the other sentence is just the reverse, the contrast. So here we use conjunction but. Kunal plays the guitar but his brother doesn't. Does not we can write as doesn't children. Okay, or you can write does not also and then put a full stop. You are not going to write play the guitar once again. Okay, these three words we don't write in the answer. Twice we will not write any word two times children. Okay, Kunal plays the guitar but his brother does not play the guitar. Play the guitar. We don't write two times. Instead we write once, Kunal plays the guitar but his brother doesn't. This makes the sentence clear. Okay. Next, number 3, you can take tea, or next one says you can take coffee. So in both the sentences children, a choice is being offered, right? Whether you want tea or coffee. So here we write it like this. Again, you can, we will not write two times. We write it as once only. Okay. You can take tea or coffee. Okay, this way children. Next 4 number, I ran fast, I could not race the squirrel. So here answer will be I ran fast but could not get the squirrel or could not race the squirrel. Okay. Again we will not write it two times. Just once. I ran fast but could not get the squirrel or race the squirrel. Here it will be race. Race the squirrel. Okay. Next is birds can fly, humans cannot fly. So answer will be birds can fly but humans cannot. Again we will not repeat this verb fly two times children. Okay, once when you write it, the meaning becomes clear. Birds can fly but humans cannot. Okay. Number 6, the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. Again the sun two times we will not write. Once we write here, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay. Number 7, will Mary come by car? Will she come by bus? So when we join the two sentences, it is like this. Will Mary come by car or bus? We use conjunction or because choice is being offered here. Next 8 number. We could not eat the mangoes. they were too sour. So here a reason is being given why we could not eat the mangoes. So when the reason is given, we can use conjunction because. We can also use the conjunction as, children. Okay, we can also use the conjunction as. Both are correct. So here I have written because. We could not eat the mangoes because they were too sour. Okay. 9th one. Mary went to the zoo yesterday. John went to the zoo yesterday. So when we combine them, it is Mary and John went to the zoo yesterday. Okay. Don't write Mary and John went to the zoo 2 times. Okay. Once only we write went to the zoo. In both it is given. So when we combine, we write only 1 time. Mary and John went to the zoo yesterday. Number 10. Do not leave. I come back. So here a condition is being given that till I return, do not leave, jana nahi. So here you write, do not leave until I come back. Jab tak aa nahi jate, please do not leave. That is the meaning. Is she your sister? Is she your friend? So when you join it, it becomes, is she your sister or friend? Okay, is she again 2 times you will not write. Only once here you write in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. 12.1. Give the parcel to her. You see her. So the answer will be give the parcel to her when you see her. Okay children, this is the way to join 2 sentences using conjunctions. And if the names are written, if some verbs are written 2 times, we don't write in the answer 2 times children. Okay. So this you complete in your English grammar book very neatly. If you have any queries, you can clear in the online class children. Okay. Now we meet in the next class. Thank you children.